Hello everybody again, welcome back. We'll talk now about how to hide regions and introducing some gaps using Jalview. And this is one of the most important and advanced techniques that can be used by users and make it like make a good presentation for your work and in a professional way. So actually, you can introduce and remove gaps. We'll learn this in this lecture. Also use some useful feature of Jalview. Insert your alignment image onto your, of course, document. We'll talk about this later. And Jalview project file, and also select, edit, export, and save regions of the alignment. First, in this first part, we will just see how to hide regions. So this is something very important just to show what exactly you would like to focus on in your sequences. So if you would like to focus in certain area and you don't want the reviewer or the people to look at the whole thing, you just like to focus in some sequences, you can do this simply by what we will show you right here. So of course, if you would like to hide some places or some sequences, you can justly go to the sequence you would like to hide. Like if you I'm not interested in that sequence here or in that sequence here, I just can select them as we showed before. And like here, for example, here this one, and then right click on the sequence you would here, and then just press this pop-up menu from this contextual menu. You can just press hide sequence. So first you choose the sequence you would like to hide, and then second you just right click on these sequences, and then from this pop-up menu here you just try to choose hide sequence at arrow number 2, as you can see here. When you hide the sequences, what will happen is this sequence is not deleted. So what will happen is here that a small blue triangle in the sequence will appear like as you see here at arrow number 3. So this is where this means that there is sequences here exist, but it's hidden from this panel. So this means that there is one here and there is one here. So now we just hide these sequences, which was looking not good. So I just hide them from the whole thing, as you can see. If you want to reveal them back, just right click again on that sequence and just press here from this context menu. You can just press at arrow number 4, reveal all. So when you just press reveal all, it will reveal this to the hidden ones here. Okay, so this is how to hide the sequence. Of course, the similar mechanism apply to the columns. If I don't want to show this column that is not look good, for example, so I just choose the column that I would like to hide, and as arrow number 1 shows, and then here right click here and then hide columns. This will appear, this word will appear, hide columns. I just press on it and it will hide these columns here. So this column can be hidden just by can be hidden by just choose them first and then right click and then hide columns. The same thing here, if you would like to reveal them, this blue triangle here, if I would like to reveal the hidden column, of course, this blue triangle means that there is a column I could just reveal from here. I just right click or just hover over this place, and then this blue triangle represent, as I said, that there is hidden column here, and then just right click on that blue triangle and just press the word reveal. In this case, we'll see, of course, that the columns that have been hidden is revealed by that way. So, and also this is very important if you would like to select a region. If there is a region you would like to select it only to present them in your research. In that case, you will select the region. Like from here, I just selected from position 30 to position 120, for example. I just selected that region. And then I can hide everything, but only that region. If I would like to focus on that region, I would like to show that domain in my paper and exclude everything else. So this is one of the good things also. And you can professionally do it by just from the view menu and then at arrow number 1 and go to hide at arrow number 2, and then if hide, if in this case give you options in this sub menu here, arrow number 3, just you can say, you can choose this one, but all but selected region. This means when you choose this at arrow number 4, all but selected region, as you can see here, this means that hide all the sequences in this multiple sequence alignment except this selected region, which will just be presented in your research, and you can of course color it and do whatever you want like to do with this selected region, which you would like to focus on it in your research and in your presentation. Also, you can, as you can see here, from view and then hide, select hide, and then all but selected regions. In this case, I just hide areas are represented by all small blue triangle. Of course, the hidden area will be just represented by small triangle if you would like to see them again. Another very important and tricky way, if I would like to show different domains in my protein, if you have a big protein or sequences and it has like DNA having exons or introns, and you would like only to show this different region in your sequences. So your sequences, either DNA or protein, have different domains. You would like to show them independently or just individually, each one of them individually from the other one. So simply after making your multiple sequence alignment, you can just go to the column that is just divide these regions. Divide these regions that you would like to represent individually. So simply you can just go and make like here is a column that divide part 1 from part 2, or region 1 or domain 1 from domain 2, from domain 3 from domain 4. This is, for example, 4 different domains in your sequences, and you would like to show them and align them independently. So I go to hide the region or the column that is between them, like here. I just hide a column here, and I hide a column here, and then hide a column here. By hiding this 3 columns, I already divided my sequences to 4 different regions, 4 different separate regions. So in this case, if you go and make multiple sequence alignment, simply what will happen is this will be doing multiple sequence alignment independently, and from this region, from that region, from that region. So here you have 4 different regions that is divided. Actually, it's not divided, we just by hiding this column that between them, we just put these boundaries so we can actually work with them as a different region. This multiple sequence alignment region can be aligned separately, as you can see. Just you can go to the alignment again here, and then go to alignment, and then choose the way, any way, your favorite aligner from here. Web service, alignment at arrow number 2, and choose your favorite aligner. What will happen is, as you can see, each part at each region from this multiple sequence alignment, from the big one, it will be divided to 4. And actually, you will see that the multiple sequence alignment program will make like 4 different tabs. So in this case, each one of them will be, as you see, aligned independently, as if it's separate. So as you can see here, in the end result, you will see this part, this region is aligned independently. This domain also aligned independently from that one, from that one. So you have now 4 different regions at the same time divided, and each the same region have aligned independently. So sometime you want to do this if you have different like exons in different genes, and you would like to align them independently. So between different sequences, different region in different proteins, you would like to and domains, you would like to like each one of them, each domain, you would like to be aligned independently. So this is very important and very good way to do it, and represent them here, as you can see in your paper. So it's I hope you can get the benefit and use this one. And of course, each one of them will be separate, and this will be a very good presentation for whatever you would like to represent in your paper. Thank you very much. I hope you can just practice and learn more about Jalview, which is very terrific way for presenting your multiple sequence alignment, and let's continue in the coming lecture. Thank you very much for listening.